Today we're performing an adjustment to a Saddlemen Sissybar bag. It's a simple process that will allow you to tailor your motorcycle to your preferred settings and increase overall efficiency for an improved riding experience. Step 1. Slide the Sissybar bag over your motorcycle's backrest. Step 2. Locate the Velcro slots that hold the bag's tension bars in place. Remove one tension bar from its current placement and choose a supportive location to reinstall it, inserting the bar through the appropriate loops into the bottom pouch. Do the same thing for both sides. Step 3. Undo the large Velcro strap on the back of the bag, raise the bag to your desired height, and measure the distance. Step 4. Remove the bag and adjust the Velcro strap, sliding it through and stopping at the measured height before reattaching the Velcro. Step 5. Place the bag back over your bike's backrest where it should rest at the height you've selected. Step 6. Locate the safety strap, buckle it in, and tie it down. If after watching this video you have additional fitment or comfort questions, please contact us today at 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com, and one of our knowledgeable product specialists will help you find the right setup for your motorcycle.